This is the built-in adapter for the old dishwasher drain. This is a washer-dryer combo that the customer is replacing his dishwasher with, which is not very common, but it's the same size, so we are going to make it work. Now it is plumbing code to use this air gap for the drain, so it's not advisable to bypass it. And as you can see, it doesn't quite fit.
So you're an artist? Yeah. Are you good at it?
The clamp will not secure that. It's way too loose. Alright guys, I want to do a quick little video. Since there is limited space behind this sink, way up in there, instead of laying on your back and getting to that, what we're going to do here, I ran to the hardware store and I got this adapter. It's a 3/4 to 1 inch reducer underneath this rubber hose. I'll show you in the picture. And so this clamps here. That's normally your dishwasher drain. But since we have a Magic Chef washer dryer combo, this hose normally goes into the drain in the wall in your typical laundry room. But because we're tying it into here, that's why we need this custom adapter. Because you've got this hook right here. This typically is in your laundry room. It keeps the drain hose in the wall so it doesn't flip out. So we're not using that. We are instead using a rubber hose, clamping the reducer, clamping the drain hose, clamping this air gap. And I did want to bypass this air gap, but it is apparently required by law to have it, or by the plumber's code. So now once I feed this through, so you get it all tightened out here where you can get to it easier. Then you feed this up in there, and then at the very end, you finish clamping to that piece on your garbage disposal or a kitchen drain. And this, my friends, will save you so much time. Here is that adapter reducer that you will need along with the rubber hose so that you can properly clamp it. Kitchen sink. Normally the dishwasher is here. And we have the washer. Nice. It's working good so far. We'll see soon if I fixed it. So here on the left we have split the hot water. Come around the other side of the garbage disposal, and we have split the cold water. Okay, so the hot water is split and the cold water is split. And the custom drain adapter configuration. And no leaks. This is your typical water supply under the kitchen sink that needed to be replaced. And here's my adapters before tightening everything. Make sure you have the clamps on before you put the fittings on. Here it is on the one side, and here it is completed. And this is the adapter that I could have used if I had it. Depending on the make and model, this may or may not work. Of course, you want to verify the inside diameter, outside diameter. And here is your typical laundry room setup where the drain hose goes into the wall.
Okay, let's go.